Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can buy XRP on Trading 212. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Trading 212 application. After doing so, the very first thing that you need to do here is to simply switch from any of your CFD account investment accounts to your crypto accounts. So you can view it by tapping on this drop down menu and you can see what type of accounts are available. So you can just simply switch to the crypto account in order to get access to the cryptocurrencies. Now over here on the home page itself, you are going to see your watch list, all of the top and the top winners and the losers. So you can find XRP from the list, or you can also use the search bar and then you can just simply search for XRP. Now when you are able to find XRP here in this list, you just have to simply tap on that in order to launch that chart. And when you are going to basically purchase it, simply tap on the option of buy, select the amount that you want to spend on that, then tap on the option of review order and tap on the option of send buy order. So this way you will be able to purchase XRP on Trading 212. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.